Don't know what they were screaming about. Just going for a walk, everyone. How's your day going? Pretty good. Oh, bloody traffic. Tell that truck. Shh. The truck is making too much noise. And that car just went past, making so much racket. I'm trying to have a good conversation to everyone out there. Oh yeah. Everyone out there. Well, here's the traffic anyway. Traffic on the I think it's 7, but if it's not 7, it could be something else. So, here's the traffic. Never stops. 24/7. Never stops. What annoying traffic. Come on, guys. Can you please? Shh. Come on. Traffic. Shh. I'm trying to enjoy my walk and we get this traffic. But anyway, hope you're all enjoying whatever you did today. Love it. Love it.